Guys, so we're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna show you what we're doing today. We're gonna go with a car, and as Devin, he's the driver today.
Oh no.
What happened? Okay guys, so we're gonna go get chicken. We normally get chicken by bulk because, as you know, our family is basically huge and they love chicken. So getting it by bulk, it's actually easier on us because there we have it readily available. We do a lot of baking, a lot of frying, barbecue, and it's gonna get hotter too. And we have our backyard as well, so it's gonna be basically what we're gonna do most of the time. The name of the farm is... What is the name of the farm?
Maple Lodge.
Maple Lodge. So that's where we're going today. So we're gonna show you where it is. And for those of you who don't know, like, if you can get it by bulk, because when I first came here, I was like, can we do that? Instead of going to the grocery store and get a few, we could just get it by bulk, right? So we're driving. As you can see, Canada is beyond beautiful. It's so clean. And the roads are huge. This is my driver.
Hey, what's up guys?
It's kind of lonely too because a lot of persons, they're at home. Oh, and it's still cold in Canada. So over in my right, there's a farm market, but I think it's closed. It's an apple factory, butcher shop. It's closed. So there are a lot of land spaces as well in Canada, like the countryside. Is that the countryside? Accustomed to see this in Guyana, a lot of spaces. So there's a lot of that in Canada as well. Coming here makes me feel as if we're back home, like the feeling of it, driving, the trees. those of you who like nature, you'll probably enjoy this. So as you can see, we're at the farm. We're still waiting. We have to go around because we're ordering in a bulk. I don't think they'll allow me to video, so this is what the outside look like. I'm gonna show you around the back what it looks like. And Devin doesn't want me to go inside either. He says it's not safe. So Devin just left to go get the chicken. It's gonna take him a while to get because there's also a line up there to go in to order, and then he has to collect. So it'll take him a while, and then after we'll leave, we'll go home. He's gonna go cut it up, clean it, wash it, bag it for me. He's gonna cut sizes of little ones where we make chicken curry, and bigger ones we're gonna bake and fry or maybe barbecue. He's gonna go get me liver and giblet and stuff, and he's gonna clean that as well, and he's gonna bag it too. So when I'm ready to cook, it's kind of simple. I just go and get what I want to cook, and there you go. Devin basically helps me a lot, and I'm very proud of him for all that he's doing. Like, he helps me a lot. Like, anything I ask him to do, he's willing to do it, and I'm proud of him. He's the perfect husband, you know. As girls, we always want to have a good husband that always helps us, you know. So I'm proud of him. I hope when he sees us, his doesn't swell, like, you know. So we're currently back home. Devin's gonna do what he has to do. And I'm gonna get to a little bit of baking. You'll be seeing that in another video. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in today with us. I hope you enjoyed our video. I hope you enjoy your day to the farm. I hope you find it interesting. So please do give our video a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more.